Greetings everyone, Joseph James here once again with your term and quiz of the day, brought to you by SchoolofTrade.com. Now guys, here's how it works. There's going to be a quiz at the end of this video. That's right, I know, I hated quizzes too, but trust me, these are fun quizzes. All you have to do is click the link in the description. Watch this video on our YouTube page. In the description, there'll be a link there that says, I know the answer. Guys, that'll take you to our blog. Post your answer on our blog, and the first 5 correct answers will qualify for up to 20% off the advanced course. We give away flat screen monitors, lots of free beginners courses, and guys, the rules are posted as well in the description. If you want more information how it all works, email us sales@schooloftrade.com and we'll give you plenty of information. Now, the term of the day today is a time-based stop. Now, we use this all the time in our live trade room, but Joe, what is a time-based stop? Well, guys, I want to make sure we're all focused on the facts. Time is not on our side as a trader, guys. The more time, the more the risk, right? The longer the trade takes to set up, the higher the risk, right? The slower the time and sales window is, the slower the pace of tape, the higher the risk. The slower it takes, right, the longer it takes you to fill your first profit target, the higher the risk. So time is a variable that is not on our side. You hear me say in the live trade room, I want things moving quickly, right? Speed, speed, speed. It's not just because that's my personality. It's because that's the way the markets move efficiently. When things start slowing down, it opens up the door for manipulation. It opens up the door for big buyers and sellers to reverse the price action on you. So speed, 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 right? Time is not on your side. And most specifically, guys, we expect our first profit target, our 4-tick profit target, to be filled very quickly. In fact, we use time-based stops, okay, as a very easy way to teach our traders, right, that time is a valuable commodity. The longer it takes, the more risk involved. If it doesn't move, guys, we may have made the wrong trading decision. Guys, it's almost like getting on a train and the conductor comes on and says, ladies and gents, we're not going anywhere today, right? Are you going to stay on that train very long? No. You're going to get off and find another train, okay? The same thing happens in trading. If the markets aren't moving your direction, guys, you either made the wrong decision or the market may have gone to lunch early. Either way, guys, you're going to get in trouble. So time is not on my side. The most important thing, very important, about time-based stops is it teaches us that time is a valuable commodity. The longer it takes, the more risk is involved. If you learn anything else from me, guys, here in this video, it's that time is not on your side. So here's an example of it. Here's how we use a time-based stop. I'm going to get into the trade. Let's say I enter short on the crude oil. I'll use a 6-tick fixed stop, right, a physical stop, but a 5-second mental stop. So I enter with a 6-tick stop, right, 6-tick stop goes on my dome, on my trade, right, it's in the market. Then after 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right, 5 seconds, if the market hasn't filled my first target, I move my stop down to entry to lock out all the risk. Then I still leave myself in a position where if the market decides to drop for my short trade, I'm still in the trade. I simply don't have any more risk involved. That way, if something does happen where we have a reversal, I'm not worried about giving back any money to the market. It's excellent for training new traders to follow rules. It avoids the hope and prayer aspect, right? I remember when I was a brand new trader, it never failed. I saw it go a couple ticks against me, and immediately I began to recall, well, there should be this reason, right? Or there's that reason, or there's this excuse, right? I begin to find all kinds of excuses, which are very easy, right? It seems to be very easy for me, for my mind to be able to creatively find excuses, right, to push that stop back, or to let it fill my entire stop loss. Guys, the time-based stop, it avoids, right, all that hoping and praying, right, the market will eventually turn around. Because, guys, it doesn't do it very often. Okay, we don't see it happen very often. Very rarely will it go 4 ticks against you and then reverse and become a huge winning trade. So if we barely ever see that happen, guys, why do we continue to let our losses run and cut our winners early, right? So a time-based stop, excellent for training new traders to follow simple rules. It avoids the hope and prayer aspect of trading, and it supports the idea of get those losses off the table early, right? Don't sulk about it. Don't worry about it. Cut them early. Move on to the next, right? Go find the next bus. It'll be coming up 10 minutes from now. All right, guys? Quiz time. Sharpen those pencils. Books away, guys. Books away. Put those books away, right? This is an open quiz. What's the most important reason for time-based stops? Is it to time your entries? Does it teach us the longer it takes, the more risk is involved? Or does it teach us to tape read with the time variable? Right? What's the most important reason for time-based stops? Is it to time your entries? Does it teach us the longer it takes, the more risk is involved? Or maybe it helps us with tape reading with the time variable. Guys, do you know the answer? If you know the answer right now, guys, you might qualify for a free beginner's course. Or maybe 20% off the advanced course, guys. That's a $800 value. If you do know the answer, guys, in the description, guys, click that link. It'll take you to our blog, and on the blog, you can post your answer. Now remember, guys, post your email address as well, right? Your first and last initial, and make sure, guys, you're the first 5, so you got to act quick. Don't forget, we offer guys a free 3-week trial, so come out and join us next week. And for more information on the rules or how you can participate with us, please email us, sales@schooloftrade.com. My name is